Is it?
Yes, it is.
Who else can you see?
Daddy elephant.
What other elephants are there?
Mommy elephant.
And?
Daddy elephant.
Yeah, who's the little one?
Bubba one.
Yay, Bubba one. What else is on your wall?
Tiki monkey.
Cheeky monkey.
What down?
Crocodile.
Froggy.
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 More froggies.
Froggy.
Yeah. Who's the one with the spots? Where's the one with the spots?
There.
What's his name?
Leopard.
Leopard. Oh, who's the big tall one? With the big long neck. Where is he? Near the rhinos. Where's the rhinos? Daddy Lion?
Yeah.
Come this way. Come this way. Who else can you see?
Giraffe.
Giraffes. Who else? Who's the stripy one? Who's got stripes?
Yeah.
Oh, what's his name? What's his name?
Snake.
Snake, yeah. Who's that one there with the stripes? Who is it?
Tiger.
Tiger. What does Tiger say?
Wah.
Rah. Where's Hippo? Yeah, Hippo's up there. But is there another hippo over here? Big Hippo in the water. Where's Big Hippo in the water? There he is. What's on his nose?
Fly.
Butterfly. Good girl.
I drew him.
Did you draw him? You did draw him today, didn't you?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
You did draw him with Daddy. Drew a butterfly. Good girl.